Are you ready?
Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. How you guys doing? This is part 3 of the 3-part series where I talk about the geocaching resources for your geocaching career. Let's go ahead and dive in to projectgc.com. Okay, so Project GC has a lot of really cool features that it offers. It offers statistics, it offers geocheckers, and it offers different tools. So we're going to kind of look at all 3 of those. Before we do any of that, let's go ahead and click on Authenticate. What's going to happen is it's going to sync your geocaching.com account straight to Project GC, and then it will give you all the information that you're looking for. So hit agree, and before you know it, you're logged into projectgc.com and you're ready to go. Top of the page, you have my profile stats, my profile, my latest logs, my latest hidden, my pocket queries, and my bookmarks. You can go through all of those on your own. We're gonna go into profile stats. We're gonna go ahead and scroll down, and here's the page right here where you can see my profile stats. You can click on milestones at the top, first to finds, hides, maps, badge generator, and souvenirs. Some of this stuff is similar to geocaching statistics, and some of it is a little more in depth. So for example, something more in depth might be the most counties you have done in a day. I have done 23 counties in one day. It also will tell you the most states you've cached in one day. It will tell you the most caches you found in a weekend. It will tell you the best week you had out caching. It will provide you down here with the highest elevation that you've ever found right here, and it also provides you with the lowest elevation. Geocaching.com does not provide you with that information. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll see all the different statistics that you can go through a little more in depth on your own. But this is a great website for statistics, and as you can see, it has just about every sort of statistic you could ever imagine. One of my favorite ones is the attribute statistic, because geocaching doesn't have that, but it gives you a breakdown of all the attributes positive and all the attributes negative right there on the cache page. Alright guys, now that we've hit up geocaching.com statistics, let's dive into challenge checkers. To get there from the website, you just click on tools and then challenge checkers. It's ready to go. Down here at the bottom, they may already have a challenge checker for you that you're really interested in finding out. So let's say, for example, you want to know one busy day Long Island, a challenge checker. And that's the cache that is the challenge checker that you want to use for your cache. So you would click on use checker. Down here at the bottom, you need to click on link, and then you can click example 1, 2, or 3. And what you need to do is you need to copy the code. Right click, hit copy, and then you'll paste that code into the cache that you're interested in creating, and that will pop up right there on the cache page, which is super cool. Let's say, well, Triple P, I don't really want that challenge checker. Great. Click on challenge checker forum, and then you're gonna click on checker request. From here, you need to click on new topic, and then you need to come up with a subject. I always just call it challenge checker request. In this box, you need to include a few things. You need to include the GC code for your cache. You need to include a description, and then you also need to include what it's going to check. This will guarantee the best results for you, and the team that creates these challenge checkers will get back to you in a really quick hurry. So let's say, for example, you want them to check, you need 100 finds for 7 different types of caches. Then you're gonna hit post message, and you're gonna have to wait. But what will happen is they'll send an email to you, and you'll create a correspondence between you and the projectgc.com checker, and then you'll have a source code that you can copy and paste, just like I showed earlier, into the cache page that you're trying to create. It's an awesome feature, and this is the way you need to go if you're ever trying to get a challenge checker put into a geocache that you're trying to create. Alright guys, due to the amount of content in this video, I've decided to break it up into another video coming next Thursday. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Social media links are in the description, and I'll see you guys out on the trail. Have a good one.